Hey everybody, I am at Union Station today, and it is New Year's Eve day, so I'm on foot today. All of my bikes are locked up tight for tonight and tomorrow. And again, we're only doing private tours right now because it's peak pandemic. But I want to show you something really cool that's a little temporary installation inside Union Station. Again, it's peak pandemic, so I'm going to mask up and let's go inside. Alrighty. So I love Union Station. We actually come right in here in this portico when we do the historic core and more tour. Ride the bikes right in. We are not just drive-by tourists. We actually go inside. So this was built in 1939. It's kind of a cross between Mission Revival and Art Deco. Over here we have Imperial Western, which used to be a Harvey House restaurant. It was closed for several decades, and just a couple of years ago it opened back up as Imperial Western Brewery, and it is just gorgeous inside. You can get a little peek at the bar. Has that same Mission Revival style on the inside. I can't wait till this place opens back up. Look how beautiful this building is. Gorgeous everywhere. It just makes you feel glamorous when you're going to get on the red line or the gold line. And then streamliner, a little cocktail bar. So back in the day when this was a Harvey House restaurant, you weren't allowed to have more than one drink over there at the Harvey House, and Streamliner was a little side cocktail bar for working men who want more than one drink. Kind of had to do it in secret. So when we come on the tour, we walk the bikes right inside to Union Station. It's really quiet right now because, as I said, it's peak pandemic. But I wanted to show you guys something pretty cool that's in here. Not that very expensive e-bike that I'm jealous of. And not these gorgeous chandeliers and ceilings. Not that cool retro info booth. But that Queen's Gambit installation. Check that out. You got any Queen's Gambit fans? Yeah, it's beautiful. So that Genie Tower and chessboard over there is temporary installation. Netflix has put up. But this gorgeous ceiling and chandeliers, that is always there. So I do the historic core and more tour every other day, and I would say I see something new or interesting every time I do the tour. And this is one of the things, so I'll be walking into Union Station for the 200th time, and there is a chessboard on the ceiling from the Netflix show that I watched the night before. So that's one of the things I love about LA. We have some really creative people and some really creative things that pop up in unexpected places. So this used to be the old ticket counter. I see it all the time in commercials now. I saw it as a bank in a commercial the other day, I think for Chase or something. I've also seen comedy shows, movies here. They set up a roller rink here a couple years back. You can rent it out for a wedding. It's kind of neat. All right, and it's especially kind of cool right now because there's hardly anybody here because it's peak pandemic. Check those out. All kind of details here. Again, you know, you won't really see this stuff on a hop-on, hop-off bus. You just drive by real quick and go, there's Union Station. And you miss all of the gorgeous functional art. So the ceilings have been redone recently, or restored, I should say. And it looks like there's scaffolding over in the seating section because they're doing the same. And then there is ordinarily a really cool Trax restaurant over there. And Trax cocktail bar over here. Normally there's, you know, people this time of day having a few cocktails out here. But again, we are peak pandemic, so that's not going to happen today. So once again, if you come down to Union Station within the next couple of days, I think this is coming down soon because they have all these professional photographers here today, which makes me think I'm going to pull it down soon. This stuff only lasts for a little while. But again, if you come on the Historic Core and More tour, we walk right in here, bring the bikes right in. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed our field trip into Union Station today. Check out the Queen's Gambit Netflix installation. Again, this is on our Historic Core and More tour. I hope everybody has a happy new year. I hope to see some of you newbie bikers out on a handlebar bike tour in 2021.